Holy moly donut shop. What a sell-off from the S&P 500. Incredible breakdown. Look at this massive big body candle. One of the biggest candle we had since mid-December. Way back in mid-December. This was a beautiful, beautiful drop. How did we trade this? How did me, all the master traders out there, how did we trade this? Well, we trade this using the price action, guys. Look at this big sell-off, this beautiful move to the downside on the 15-minute chart. How did we trade this? Amazing. Okay, so in my last video I talked about a couple of things. As usual, I talk about the key levels for us to watch, and I talked about how SPY back tested this critical level, all right, of this green trend line here. And there was two scenarios that we were watching. We was watching if we were going to get a bullish follow through or we were going to get a reversal. And I write here in my Discord in the SPY updates room, guys. First thing in the morning before the market even opens, 9:27 a.m. I wrote once again, 610.5 is support. If it holds and 612 clears, 613.5 or higher would be in play. And then I wrote here, if 610 fails again, 609 and 607 are in play. Big win for bears if they can break down 607 and turn it into resistance. Be ready to react. But once we got the breakdown, I let the group know. I let all my Discord members know. As of now, 609 is resistant. And as long as below 607 is in play. Guys, look at how simple and beautiful this was. Easy trade. That red line right there was my 609 level. We were below 610.5. And notice on the 15-minute chart, we broke down that 609 level, that critical 609 level. What did I write? If 610.5 fails again, 609 and 607 are in play. We lost 610.5, we lost 609, which meant 607 is in play, as I wrote here. As long as below 609, 607 is in play. And what happened from there? Well, I had a zone, but I was watching that 607 line level. And notice how we broke it down. And notice how the previous day's buy zone, which was Thursday, right around that 607 to 607.5 area, it became yesterday's sell zone. Do you guys see that? The buy zone from Thursday became Friday's sell zone. This was incredible, and I did talk about this. I wrote when we lost 607, 607 loss, put in 605.5 and 604 in play. And we had the battle, and I wrote here, SPY battling once again at the 607-ish area, but this time as resistant. Okay? About 7 minutes left on the candle, but if 607 clears, 609 will be back in play. Bears need to keep price below 607 and reject. Okay? Once I saw confirmation, I let the group know. SPY turned yesterday's buy zone into a sell zone. Victory for the bears. This is what I do. All right. I analyze the charts for you guys in real time as the market goes, because a lot can change from the YouTube video. And I wrote 605.5 target closing in. And if it fails next, 604 is next in play. What happened? After SPY turned Thursday's buy zone into a sell zone, after we got the roll reversal, we broke down 605.5 on the 15-minute chart, guys. It closed below 605.5 on the 15-minute chart. So we had this beautiful close below 609 on the 15-minute chart. We turned the 607 area, that was the support area, into a sell zone. We got the breakdown of 605.5. This is why right here, we trust rejections when it's strong enough to break down a support. Okay? And it broke down 605.5 on the 15-minute chart. It broke down 604. on the 15-minute chart, and that was also alerting the group as well. Both 605.5 and 604 lost, putting 602 in place. So below 604, the next target was 602. And what happened at 602? Broke down 602 as well. Once we, I alert that in the group. 602 failed, putting 600 in play, and it smashed 600. It was just an incredible day. No prediction was needed, no crystal balls, just our key levels and our ability to react to the price action unbiasedly. And it was incredible, guys. Just incredible. I hope with all my heart and soul that you guys were able to catch it. Now, I am going to make another video Sunday evening before the week starts to cover all the ticker symbols I usually cover. But today, I just wanted to make a quick video on SPY just to remind us how powerful price action is, that we don't need to see the future. All we need to do is focus on the right things, focus on the setups, because the setups are the money making opportunities. So if we want to be money magnets, we want to be money making machines, we got to focus on the money making opportunities, which are the setups to the downside or to the upside. It doesn't matter. We want to optimize our trading opportunity. So we'll trade to the upside or to the downside. This is the sheep style way. And it's a beautiful way. And I'm so grateful for it. But as of right now, guys, we did lose a lot of critical levels. But the last critical level that we lost was a fib level. Now it's around 601.85, but I'm going to round it to 602. All right. That's going to be my new equilibrium level for the coming up week until the price action changes. But overall, below 602, I'm going to remain bearish. And for bearish follow through, I need to see the 50 daily moving average fail as support. Right now, that 50 DMA daily moving average is around 599. It could slope down, so make sure you guys check it out Monday morning. But if bears want more downside, two things must happen. Keep price below 602 and break down that 50 daily moving average. There's no such thing as a bull market below the 50 daily moving average. So if bears want to get things more on their side, that's the next critical level. They need to break down that 50 daily moving average. All right. Once again, as usual, don't call a bottom unless we get a false breakdown setup. That means levels must get recaptured. Lost levels must get recaptured. All right. It might not happen right away when you want it to, but just stay patient, know the levels, know the setups, and be ready to trade it unbiasedly in real time. Okay. So this means if we're going to get bullish, you need to see price get above 600 and 602. And we want to play it level to level. 604, 606. Well, 605.5, 607 was a good buy, a good level as well. And of course, that 609 level that lost yesterday triggered a very beautiful move to the downside. All right. So like I said, more downside. 602 must hold as resistant. The 50 DMA must fail next as support to give us 596 or lower in play. And trust no bounce unless we get a false breakdown setup. Starting with 602 and maybe even 604 and 605.5. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This really means a lot. Were you guys able to catch this drop? Was it an incredible day for you? I hope it was. And if it wasn't, guess what? Your best trading days are still ahead. And they are coming very, very soon.